Welcome to this geometry lesson on parallel lines and equal slopes. Today, we will explore the mathematical relationship that defines parallel lines on a graph. First, let's define what parallel lines are. Parallel lines are two or more lines that lie on the same plane but never intersect. No matter how far you extend them in either direction, the distance between them always remains the same. To understand parallel lines algebraically, we need to recall the concept of slope. Slope, often represented by the letter m, measures the steepness and direction of a line. We calculate it as the rise over the run, or the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. When we look at the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, the variable m is our slope. The variable b is the y-intercept, which is the point where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. Here is the most important rule for today's lesson. For two lines to be parallel, their slopes must be exactly equal. In mathematical terms, m1 must equal m2. If the slopes are the same, the lines point in the exact same direction. Let's look at this graphically. Here we have two equations, y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 2x minus 3. Notice that both equations have a slope of 2. Because they have the same steepness, they run alongside each other perfectly without ever touching. There is one crucial detail to remember. While the slopes must be equal, the y-intercepts must be different. If both the slopes and the y-intercepts are the same, then you are actually looking at the exact same line, not two distinct parallel lines. Let's test your knowledge. Look at these two equations, y equals 3x plus 4 and y equals 3x minus 8. Are they parallel? Yes, they are. Both have a slope of 3, but they start at different points on the y-axis. Conversely, look at this example. Y equals 2x and y equals 2.5x. The slopes are 2 and 2.5. Since these numbers are different, the lines are not parallel. They might look similar nearby, but they will eventually intersect. To summarize, parallel lines never intersect because they have the same slope. Remember, m1 equals m2. Also, ensure their y-intercepts are different to confirm they are two separate lines. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.